Health and Demographic Surveillance System, which we know as HDSS. We started the HDSS in Vadu in 2002, where we started the first data collection, first round of data collection. We have about 35,000 families approximately, and total population to be 100,000 in these 22 villages where we work for the DSS. Every 6 months we go to every individual household in this area and we collect the data on births, deaths, marriages and migrations in this family. If there is a new family, we include that family as an immigrant and collect data on that family, and thereafter the family becomes our regular member.
लक्ष्मी किसन कदम यांचंच घर ना? अच्छा, मला थोडी माहिती हवी. मी केम हॉस्पिटलमधून आलोय.
During first round of data collection, we have enumerated all the individuals in this area, and then onwards we are capturing all the events that take place in this area that bring about change in the population. So it is paper based collection. FRAs are provided with a machine called GPS, and at the time of updating the information from the household, they also capture the longitude and latitude of that household, and this particular information is useful in effective management of the field work as well as for spatial analysis of some health related information. For data quality checks, there are about 4 levels. The first level is at the field itself, where the field research supervisors do spot checks and check all the hard copies filled in by field research assistants. Second level is by the senior field research supervisor, and third is at data entry, where due to inbuilt consistency checks, the forms having inconsistencies are screened out, and fourth is at data level, which is done by using programs written previously.
One of our project Genomics, we are collecting the different biological samples like nasal swabs, blood, urine, skin scraping. So these are the different samples we are collecting, and we are doing the RNA and DNA isolation from these samples. We have done the different kind of test. So one is heart rate variability, in which we measure the heart rate whenever there is some body variation like inclined position. Then we do the skin testing, like measuring the skin elasticity, skin moisture. Then we do the gustatory testing, in which we measure the taste. Then we do the spirometry, which will measure the lung function. And anthropometry we take 44 measurements of the body. So all these different kind and sophisticated tests, they are done by the trained field assistants. Data which is collected by these different kind of instrument. So out of this heart rate variability and the skin testing, they have the inbuilt software. So whenever we put a value, it is automatically entered into the data.
We also thought that we should not stop just collecting the data, use them and just throw. What we envisage is, if we are able to generate a biobank, a bank of biological samples of this population, which could be useful for the future generations or even for the same population in future, because technology is advancing so much so that maybe today's blood sample of an individual may be extremely useful for giving treatment to the same individual down the line, maybe after 10 years or 15 years, especially for chronic illnesses. What is more important for our country today, for the public health in our country today, is knowing the burden of the diseases. So this is one area where we really want to focus very hard, developing very good cohorts which will help us to understand the disease burden in the country.